Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Ryobi framing nailer. Before you begin, safety is paramount. Always wear safety glasses and hearing protection to protect your eyes and ears from debris and noise. Take a moment to inspect your nailer for any damage or loose components. Also, ensure your workspace is clear of any obstacles or other people to prevent accidents. Your safety is the first priority. Next, let's prepare your nailer for action. Load a strip of framing nails into the magazine, making sure they are properly seated and aligned. Then, adjust the depth of drive. This setting controls how far the nail penetrates the material, ensuring a flush or slightly countersunk finish. Finally, securely connect your air hose to the nailer's air inlet, ensuring a tight seal for optimal performance. Now for the actual nailing. Firmly press the nailer's nose against your workpiece at the exact spot and angle you need. With a steady grip, depress the trigger to fire a nail. Many Ryobi models offer two firing modes: sequential for precise, single nail placement, and bump firing for quickly driving multiple nails by simply bumping the nose against the material. Practice both to find what works best. After your work is done, proper maintenance ensures your Ryobi framing nailer lasts for years. Always disconnect the air supply and remove any remaining nails from the magazine. Apply a few drops of pneumatic tool oil into the air inlet daily to keep internal components lubricated. Store your nailer in a clean, dry environment, away from extreme heat or cold, to protect its integrity and readiness for your next project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.